Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful Christmas season and today I'll teach you how to make 5 different kind of cookies using just one single dough. It's really easy to make and I'm sure you're gonna have so much fun baking these easy Christmas cookies for your next giveaway. So without any delay, let's get baking.
So to begin the recipe, you want to combine some melted butter along with some granulated sugar. Just beat it all until it gets combined using a handheld mixer. Next, I'll add 2 egg yolks to this. You want to discard the whites and only add the yolks. Whisk until all gets combined through. Next, starting with the dry ingredients, I'll sift some all-purpose flour and also some almond meal. Sifting the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients makes them really homogeneous and you have perfectly crispy cookies after they get baked. So once you have sifted all the dry ingredients together, you want to combine all of this using a spatula. Once the dough comes together really nicely and it's nicely firm, you want to add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and some vanilla extract to this so that the smell of eggs goes away. Bring it all together, and once the dough is completely combined through, you're set to make cookies. So for the first cookie, I'm going to make some Spritz cookies. The dough should be really sticky for your Spritz cookies because that's what makes them really homogeneous. So to make the Spritz cookies, you want to take 2 piping bags, cut it out, add your star-shaped nozzle to it, add the batter into your piping bag, and then start piping your Spritz cookies. Now Christmas Spritz cookies are so popular, you want to grease your baking dish and just pipe as per your design. You can add any design of your choice. Here I'm gonna make some Christmas gnomes and some snowflakes and also some Christmas trees. So you can see I'm piping some snowflakes here. Next I'll pipe some Christmas trees and bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. And there you go. For the next cookie, I'm going to use the leftover cookie dough. To that I'm going to add some lemon juice and yellow food color. I'll bring it all together using my spatula, and once the dough comes together really evenly, I'll roll them into small bite-sized balls. Now lemon snowball cookies are such a quintessential Christmas themed cookies, so you want to bake them at the same temperature. Also roll them into small bite-sized balls because they swell up after they get baked. Meanwhile, you make the next cookie. For that, you want to use the leftover dough, roll it to about 1.5 inches thickness to the edges. To make the sugar cookie, you want to roll it evenly, and then you can use any cookie cutter of your choice. It's the Christmas season, so indulge into baking these amazing Christmas sugar cookies. Here I'm using a Christmas tree sugar cookie, some flour and some star-shaped sugar cookie cutters to cut out these cookies. You can use any cookie cutter of your choice because you know sugar cookies are of a variety of shapes. So if you have any amazing more Christmas themed cookie cutters, you can use them as well. Just remove the leftover dough and keep it aside and transfer these into the baking dish. Bake them at the same temperature for 10-15 minutes. Also, don't forget to dust some granulated sugar over your lemon snowball cookies because that's what makes them so good. Using the leftover cookie dough, you want to make some Christmas Lindor cookies. For that, I'm using a star-shaped cookie cutter, so I'll definitely cut out some star-shaped cookies, also one larger than the other, because Lindor cookies are so special and the best part about them is they look like a sandwich cookie. So you want to cut one larger than the other, discard the leftover cookie dough because you want to use it later on. And once you have evenly cut out all the cookies, you want to top with some melted dark chocolate over the base of your Lindor cookies. You can also top with strawberry jam or raspberry jam if you want them. Also, I love some chocolate Lindor cookies, so I'm adding chocolate over here. Top with the other half, even out the chocolate, dust some granulated sugar on top and bake them at the same temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. Over to the fourth cookie. Here I'm gonna make some Gingerbread Man cookie, and for that I'm adding some gingerbread spice and molasses to the same cookie dough. Once the cookie dough comes together really homogeneously, your Gingerbread Man cookie dough is ready. Roll it out on a flat surface until it's about 1/4 inch thickness on the sides. And once you have rolled out the cookie dough, use your Gingerbread Man cookie cutter to cut out the cookies. And once you have done that, you want to use any skewer or any wooden skewer to draw the nose and mouth of these Gingerbread Man. Gingerbread Man cookies are such a quintessential Christmas cookie and of my favorite Christmas cookies which I love to bake every Christmas. So once you have drawn the nose and the mouth of these Gingerbread Man, bake them at the same temperature for 11 to 12 minutes. Over to the frosting. Here I'm adding a sugar icing. You can find the recipe for that in the description box below. For the Christmas tree, of course, I'm adding a green frosting. Next, I'm making some Christmas gnome, and for that I'm adding green and pink colored frosting to make the hat of the gnome. Next, I'll top with some melted dark chocolate to make the eyes and add some pink frosting to make the nose of this. Also, I'll finish off all these cookies by decorating them with some baubles and sprinklers of Christmas theme. You can go as length as you want to into decorating these cookies, because that's what is the most fun part about Christmas sugar cookies. Decorating them is so much fun. You can invite all your friends and kids and indulge into decorating your sugar cookies. You can also take them to your cookie decorating championship, and you are gonna have so much fun decorating them. Decorate them with all your favorite Christmas themed sprinklers and any sugar icing of your choice, and bring these cookies to life. They are so easy and one of my favorite Christmas themed baking cookies. I'm sure you had a great time learning how to make these Christmas cookies.
There you go, these easy Christmas cookies are baked and ready. I have baked 5 different kind of cookies. First, there are Gingerbread Man Cookies. Next, there are some chocolate Lindor Cookies. Next, I have baked some Christmas tree sugar cookies for you. And also there are some Spritz Cookies here. And also the last and final one, some lemon Snowball cookies. They are so easy and all of them, their taste is so delicious. I'm sure you had a great time learning how to make these easy Christmas cookies. Do give these a try, and if you have any questions, post them below in the comment section. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations in the comment section below. Have a great Christmas everyone, and have a great holidays.